Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools. Install a reputable voice changer and keep it open. Once installed, make the voice changer create a virtual audio device. That device is how Discord will hear you. Next, open Discord, go straight to user settings, right arrow voice and video, and select the virtual device as your input device. Make sure Discord is updated and the OS microphone permission is granted. If you do these first steps now, the rest of the setup will be simple and quick. Once the virtual device is selected in Discord, switch back to the voice changer and configure your sound. You should pick a preset or build one by adjusting pitch and format controls, lower latency, or a small 0. 5-second buffer keeps your voice natural in live chat. Use the app's monitor to listen and tweak levels until clarity and character are balanced. Also assign hotkeys for toggling or switching presets on the fly, so you can react quickly during conversations without hunting through menus. You finish by refining Discord settings, enable push-to-talk or adjust input sensitivity to prevent the changer from passing noise. Then join a test call or ask a friend to confirm your altered voice and record a short sample to compare. If Discord doesn't pick up sound, make sure the virtual device is still selected, and restart both Discord and the voice changer. Also check that the voice changer isn't muted in your OS mixer. If problems persist, switch to another virtual device or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.